Say goodbye to financial stress. Let's easily sort your income, bills, food, gas, and savings to create a budget that works for real life.
You earn a single paycheck, but by the end of the month, that money has scattered in 50 different directions. Bills, groceries, subscriptions, and surprise expenses all crash into the same account at once. Most traditional budgets fail because they demand perfection. They assume you will spend the exact same amount on food every week and never have an unexpected expense. When life deviates from the spreadsheet, the system falls apart. We are going to use an AI assistant to fix this. The AI is not a financial advisor, and it is not here to judge your spending habits. It is simply a highly efficient tool to organize your raw data. In this process, we will sort your initial messy numbers, set realistic weekly spending limits, and build a framework with engineered flexibility. The primary goal of a budget is visibility. When you can see the whole board, you can make informed decisions before your account runs dry. Step 1 is gathering the raw numbers. You need your monthly take-home income, your recurring bills, your minimum debt payments, and an estimate of your regular spending. Before entering this into an AI, protect your privacy. Never type in bank account numbers, passwords, or social security numbers. Use rounded estimates. If your phone bill is $92.50, enter $90. Now we use our first prompt. The prompt tells the AI to act as a budgeting assistant, ingest your monthly money snapshot, and organize the chaos into clear categories: income, fixed bills, flexible spending, and debt. The AI reads your raw, chaotic list and immediately sorts those numbers into distinct, structured groups. You no longer have to perform the mental math to figure out what percentage of your money goes to bills versus food. The baseline is established. Grouping your expenses is a good start, but now those categories must be filtered for strict necessity. We paste our second prompt. This instructs the AI to evaluate your categorized budget and rigidly divide it into a needs column and a wants column. The system draws a hard line. It separates mandatory survival costs from flexible lifestyle spending, like dining out and entertainment subscriptions. The prompt also tasks the AI with providing one practical suggestion to reduce your spending, targeting only flexible items in the wants column. Mapping your needs directly against your wants turns the budget into a diagnostic tool. You can clearly see exactly where you have the flexibility to make cuts. A 30-day budget rarely survives contact with reality. Having $500 for groceries on the first of the month feels like plenty of money until you reach week 3. We need to shrink the timeline. The third prompt instructs the AI to take your monthly flexible totals and convert them into immediate weekly spending limits. That large monthly food total is mathematically divided into 4 precise allocations. You now have an exact target amount for your next trip to the store. You will inevitably spend more than planned in a given week. To handle this, the prompt tasks the AI with establishing a concrete rule for failure, such as automatically subtracting any overspending from next week's discretionary pile to keep the month balanced. Building in an automated response to overspending prevents you from abandoning the entire budget the moment you make a mistake. Eventually, an unexpected expense hits. A flat tire or a medical bill forces its way into your month. Instead of doing the complex math yourself, use the final prompt. Feed the exact dollar amount of the surprise expense into the AI and ask it for a strategic adjustment plan. The AI rapidly recalculates the board. It identifies exactly which flexible categories can absorb the financial impact without causing an overdraft. At the same time, the AI explicitly protects your fixed mandatory categories. Rent, insurance, and utility targets remain locked and untouched. A budget is only useful if it can bend. Rebalancing on the fly allows you to solve the immediate problem without triggering a secondary financial panic. We started with a pile of receipts and scattered bills. Now you are looking at a structurally sound plan where every dollar is accounted for. You extracted the raw data, separated your survival costs from your lifestyle choices, and then built a weekly framework to pace your spending. Delegating the structural math to an AI assistant organized your money logically, while establishing rules for overspending built a crucial psychological safety net. You have the instructions. Pause this video, Copy the exact prompts we used and build your own baseline today. Seeing your exact financial position allows you to make confident decisions. True control over your money requires pure visibility.